see how to sketch chamfer. So let's create one plate. Now see here, in last tutorial we studied sketch fillet, now sketch chamfer. What is the sketch chamfer? So we will do, just create some triangle for understanding. Now select sketch chamfer. There are two types of angle distance and distance. First check equal distance. Now select 10 mm and select 1 mm. Now select 20 mm, select another end. Now select 30 mm, select another end. Okay. So this is our distance, equal distance. See, 20, 20, 40, 40. This is equal distance. Sketch chamfer. Now uncheck. Now we will make unequal. So let's make 20. Select one end. See, 20, 40. Let's make 10, 20, 10, 20. Let's create 20 by 10. See, this is 20 by 10. 20 by 50. See. So this is distance to distance but unequal chamfer. Okay. Now we will see one angle chamfer. Select sketch chamfer and choose angle distance. Select 50 mm, select 45 degree. This is too big. Okay. Again choose chamfer. Keep degree 20 mm. Select this end. See, it is 20 degree, 20 mm. The same as 30 mm, 60 degree. See, it is 30 mm from one end and 60 degree. So this is the angle distance. Okay. So this is the chamfer tutorial. It is very useful in every design. I hope you